Riverside Elementary spent a month celebrating kindness and learning about different cultures. During National Hispanic Heritage Month, which runs from mid-September to mid-October, the morning show highlighted different Latin countries. Students were invited to share some fun facts about their country's cultures, foods, and colorful clothing. Each student put together informative presentations, creative posters, and proudly shared their Hispanic heritage with the entire school. Later in the month, Riverside held their 9th annual Unity Day Parade. Bright orange is the symbolic color of Unity Day, sending a visible message that building community through kindness, acceptance, and inclusion helps prevent bullying. So Riverside invited their community to join them, with Newport News police officers, Newport News Fire Department, and students from neighboring Christopher Newport University joining the festivities, including Captain Chris himself. Riverside's own Boomin' Bears drumline led the procession in front of the school, as students, staff, and a supporting community used the power of kindness to make Riverside a wonderful place to learn for all students.